Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add a custom web page shortcut icon to the home screen on Motorola Moto G32. So to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Here let's find the website that we want to add. We're going to go for HardReset.Info. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Add to Home Screen. Now you can name your icon however you like. When it's ready, click on Add to Home Screen. Now if we go back, there's icon right here, and if we click on it, it instantly opens this page. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.